Which state is the largest state in terms of population? ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যত কিমান জনসংখ্যা আছে অথবা জনসংখ্যা অনুসৰি কোনখন ৰাজ্য আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ জানো আহক। Total population of Rajasthan 6,85,48,437. Total population of Madhya Pradesh 7,26,26,809. Total population of Maharashtra 11,23,72,333. Total population of Uttar Pradesh 19,98,12,341. Total population of Gujarat 6,04,39,692. Total population of Karnataka 6,10,95,297. Total population of Andhra Pradesh 8,45,80,777. Total population of Orissa 4,19,74,218. Total population of Chhattisgarh 2,35,51,462. Total population of Tamil Nadu 7,21,47,030. Total population of Telangana 3,51,98,978. Total population of Bihar 10,40,99,452. Total population of West Bengal 9,12,76,115. Total population of Arunachal Pradesh 14,58,545. Total population of Jharkhand 3,29,88,134. Total population of Assam 3,12,05,576. Total population of Himachal Pradesh 68,64,602. Total population of Uttarakhand 1,86,292. Total population of Punjab 2,77,43,338. Total population of Haryana 2,55,45,198. Total population of Kerala 3 crore 34 lakhs 6,061. Total population of Meghalaya 29 lakhs 66,889. Total population of Manipur 28 lakhs 55,794. Total population of Mizoram 10 lakhs 97,206. Total population of Nagaland 19 lakhs 78,502. Total population of Tripura 36 lakhs 73,917. Total population of Sikkim 6 lakhs 10,577. Total population of Goa 14 lakhs 58,502.